Hi, I'm Jess from Great Ocean Properties. Here I am at the Anglesea River, just a short stroll to 12 McDougall Road in Anglesea, which is a tastefully updated home that speaks to easy living for those that are wanting a high quality lifestyle. Come with me now, let's take a look. This beautifully presented single level home is ideal to move in and enjoy. Presented with classic beachside style, its interiors are capped off by 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, sleek open plan layout, contemporary kitchen and superb entertaining areas. This home will delight those seeking a high quality lifestyle. Perfectly presented and only minutes to the river, cafes and school. If you'd like to view this property, please feel welcome to contact myself, Jess Nelson, or the Anglesea sales team. We're here to help.